sunlight shining on my face. Feel the rhythm of the people moving with grace. From the city to the village, hear the children sing. Every heartbeat carries hope, every voice can bring. Walking down the road with a story in my hand. Lessons from the elders spreading through the land. No matter where we're coming from, we share the same sky. Reggae keeps us standing strong, reaching high. This is reggae life. Feel the fire in your soul. Through the highs and lows, let the good vibes roll. Roots run deep like rivers to the sea. One love, one heart, living free. This is reggae life. Let the music guide the way. Through the darkest night, into a brighter day. Raise your hands and let the whole world see. Reggae life forever, wild and free. Drums beating steady like the earth beneath our feet. Every corner of the world can feel the rhythm's heat. Songs of freedom rising on the evening breeze, carrying the dreams of generations with ease. Brothers and sisters standing side by side, keeping faith alive with nothing left to hide. The melody reminds us that we're never alone. In the sound of reggae, we have found our home. This is reggae life. Feel the fire in your soul. Through the highs and lows, let the good vibes roll. Roots run deep like rivers to the sea. One love, one heart, living free. This is reggae life. Let the music guide the way. Through the darkest night, into a brighter day. Raise your hands and let the whole world see. Reggae life forever, wild and free. When the storm clouds gather, keep your spirit bright. Music is a lantern shining through the night. Every beat a blessing, every song a prayer. Reggae brings the people together everywhere. Find us reggae life. Hear the voices rise as one, underneath the moonlight, underneath the sun. From the mountains to the endless sea, reggae